The Russian-Ukrainian war has had a great impact on the world economy as of today, and for our consideration, on the stock and crypto markets. If you happen to look at your portfolio and were wondering what happened the other night, this war has impacted the crypto market such that the global market cap slid to as low as $1.57 trillion. Now, in this video, we will be looking in detail at what all this means for you and every other investor in the cryptocurrency world. So make sure you stick till the end. Hello Cavaliers of Crypto, and welcome to AB Crypto, where we take a simple approach to break down the latest and most educative topics about the cryptocurrency market. If you're new to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. You can also follow us on TikTok at _AB_crypto_, and if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links down in the description below. So let's get started. A few days ago, Russia breached its borders and attacked its neighboring country, Ukraine, which later resulted in many losses, not only in people's lives, but the world economy as a whole. Biden later then said that the US and its allies will respond to the invasion in a united and decisive way, and the world is going to hold Russia accountable through economic sanctions. So, what is going to happen next? And what will this do to investments like cryptocurrency? And what will this mean for us as crypto investors? Those are some of the rhetorical questions we are sure most of you are asking yourselves, and we're going to cover this and a whole lot more. Now, the Russian-Ukrainian crisis has led to crypto falling by up to 10%, and on a side note, you should buy the dip. Anyways, the cryptocurrency market is down nearly 10% as Russia announces its military operation in Ukraine, with major players like Bitcoin and Ethereum now trading at $34,989 and $2,391 respectively. Vikram Saburai, the CEO of Gratis Crypto Exchange, gave his thoughts on the situation. The panic witnessed in the markets in the past few days is an expected reaction to any global crisis. The key thing to note is that the fundamentals of a crypto asset class have not changed. And while there is a possibility of further declines, the asset class is expected to absorb large volumes beyond another 20% drop. So, what is Vikram advising us to do as investors? Vikram says, investors with long-term goals will likely be the winners of this situation as they buy crypto assets with solid fundamentals. And if you don't know what solid fundamentals are, these are simply proven coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Vikram also added that investors should try as much as possible to avoid high-risk assets such as meme coins, and investing in them could result in large losses rather than profits. Also, for the market itself, we are witnessing a huge sell-off, as most small investors are now saying that once they recoup their investments, they're getting out of the market, as most of them are not used to dealing with a prolonged period of uncertainty. With this, we assume it is because of fear. And guys, the war should not make you skeptical of investing in crypto. Remember to always keep Vikram's advice that if you sense it would be risky to invest in smaller crypto projects, then you should think about investing in solid fundamental assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum for the time being. If you are ready to roll the dice, this may be the perfect opportunity to invest in crypto projects that you deem as having high potential. But always remember to do further research as an investor and check the status of the markets, as they do change over time regardless of the current atmosphere. Well, this brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining. And if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, please do so in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you loved watching this video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching, and see you in our next video.